Hi guys, this week on What's Cooking Wahida, we are continuing a week of Thanksgiving recipes. And for this second recipe, we are making a delicious sweet Thanksgiving corn. For this recipe, I'm using fresh corn on the cob, but you can always use frozen corn if you would like. Let's get started. I'm using 7 ears of corn for this recipe, 1 clove of garlic, 3 tablespoons of butter, half teaspoon salt and pepper. Stand the corn upright and using a sharp knife carefully cut straight down, removing the corn kernel from the cob. Without cutting the cob, set your stovetop to medium-high heat. Add the butter to a deep pan and melt it down. Crush in garlic cloves, add in the salt as well as the pepper. Then finally add in the corn. Saute the corn in the seasoned butter. Then place the lid on. Set the heat to medium-low for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, your corn is ready to serve. You can make this right before you serve dinner or earlier in the day and reheat it when your guests arrive. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this recipe. If you did, hit the thumbs up. If you have any question or comment, leave them below. If you want more recipes like this, hit the subscriber button. I post weekly recipes video. So come back tomorrow to see the next Thanksgiving recipe.